Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to replace the batteries from a Braeburn thermostat. If the screen looks dim, the battery icon could be blinking over here, or the thermostat stopped responding properly, and in that case you need a quick replacement of the batteries. So first of all, you need to grab the thermostat from the bottom or the sides, and then you need to gently pull it straight towards you. Do not unscrew anything. The front thermostat body should unclip from the wall plate, leaving the base attached to the wall. Now, a lot of people are afraid to pull too hard here, but most of the Braeburn models are designed to pop straight off. Now, once you have it, you just have to simply flip your thermostat around the location, and then you just have to simply locate the batteries on the back. Now, most of the Braeburn thermostats uses the two AA alkaline batteries. So you need to simply remove these batteries, and then you need to insert the new batteries over here carefully. Just make sure that the plus and the minus symbols match correctly inside the battery compartment. Now you just have to simply line the thermostat back up and with the wall plate, and then press it gently into the place. Now you should feel it snap or click back onto the base. At this point, the display should also turn back on normally, and the low battery warning should also disappear. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.